Pasay. So I'm here for work and I'm gonna be staying here overnight. I'll show you the room later. But for now, I'll just show you the garden here. And then there's the entrance of the hotel. Hi, we're done with the photo shoot here at the Henry Hotel. So now I've checked in sa classic room of the Henry Hotel. This is where I'm going to stay overnight, and then until tomorrow I'll check out at 12 noon. So right now I'll give you a room tour. So this is the classic room. There's just a queen size bed. They have night lamps, as you can see. They have this cabinet, like an old vintage cabinet. They have the vault there, and hair blower, hanger, slippers. I'm wearing it now, the other pair. May mirror din ito. So let's go to the restroom. Another ilaw. There we go. This is the bathroom. Shower room. Cold and hot shower. Towels. And this is their sink. It's in the middle of the shower room and the toilet. They also have towels here. Nice. So now they also have a mini bar. So dito yung ref. There you go. Then they have also a cabinet here. Medyo madilim. Ayan. And then nandito yung coffee and tea. Water. There you go. Ito. They have their phone. They also have a work area. Oh, my Bible! This is something really unexpected for a hotel. They have a Holy Bible placed by the Gideons. I think ito yung establishment in front of the Henry Hotel. Okay. And then they have facial tissue here. Actually, tingnan ito. Tada! For aesthetic purposes. Newspaper, design. And then we have an extra chair. Oh, meron pang welcome note dito. Oh, hello! Welcome to the Henry. We wish you a warm and memorable stay. Your General Manager, Eden Alfonronman? Then this one. This is so cool. Natuwa lang, sorry. You can pull the string. Open yung curtain. Nice. Then pull mo ulit. It's a nice room all in all. It's a nice room. Ganda, diba? You have a flat screen TV. So yeah. So tomorrow, I'll have a breakfast in apartment 1B. That's a restaurant inside the Henry Hotel. So I'll also take you with me there. See you tomorrow.